So in order to add PHP to your environment, first of all, you need to open the environment variables from your start menu and then click on environment variables. And then scroll in the system variables and then select path and open the path. And then here you should find that you have XAMPP PHP. You should have /XAMPP /PHP. If you don't, you need to click on new and then you need to add it. You need to add C and then colon /XAMPP /PHP. And once you have done that, all you need to do is that you need to click on OK and then OK. This is gonna add PHP to your path where you will be able to use PHP from any location in your Windows 10. Now, if you open the CMD and type PHP-V, it's gonna work. And here, if you open the terminal in Visual Studio Code and just type PHP-V, it's gonna print out the PHP and it's gonna here tell you that PHP exists. So this is how you can add PHP to your path in Windows.